Poco India is launching two smartphones tomorrow, Poco M7 Pro 5G and Poco C75 5G. Flipkart has set up promo pages for both on its website. FCC documents also hint that the Poco M7 Pro 5G might simply be a rebranded Redmi Note 14 5G. The Poco M7 Pro's primary camera will use a 50MP Sony LYT600 sensor and a 2-megapixel depth sensor, and 20MP selfie camera. Poco M7 Pro come with a 6.67-inch Full HD plus Gold 120Hz display. The device will have a peak brightness of 2100 nits, have HDR10 Plus support, and will come protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and an in-display fingerprint scanner. The smartphone powered by Dimensity 7025 Ultra SoC paired with up to 8GB of RAM. The phone will run Xiaomi's HyperOS 1.0. Poco M7 Pro is backed by a 5000 mAh battery with support for 45W wired fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.